Hello. Today I am creating a program. This program will be input two integers and find HCF of those numbers. Let's start this program. To find HCF, first of all, I have to take input two integers. So starting from input class, I am writing the program class LCM. First of all, finding LCM. Then I have to take one method at least here, void main. I have taken a method. Now here I have to take input two integers. Then we have to use scanner class. Now doing that scanner sc equals to new scanner system.out. In this line we are creating the object of scanner class sc. Now I am taking two numbers input in a and b variables. So int a assign sc dot next int in and int b equals to sc dot next int. So in this line, two variables a and b coming from the user's keyboard and stored in the a and b variable. Here, right now, I am trying to write find HCF logic, sorry, LCM logic here. Then for finding LCM, we will create a for loop for, we know that LCM is the number which number divisible by both number. That means if I take two numbers here, for example, I take two numbers 5 and 10, then LCM will be 10, and I am taking another number for better clarity, 10 and 25. Then what will be here? LCM is 50. It's so simple. We can find using mathematics algorithm. So here 50 is divisible by 10 as well as 25. So this is the logic. That means LCM is the number which is divisible by both number. So using this algorithm, this logic, I will create the program. Now here I am writing loop because in we will try different values, and which number divisible by both numbers, that will be LCM. So we'll start from any of two numbers. We can take any of two. So int I start assign a. We will start from a. You can take a or b, both will be working. And I is less than are equal to, do you know one thing? If you take any number, its LCM not be exceed by multiplication of both. Let me show an example so that you could understand better. That means if I have 5 and 20, then LCM is what? 20. And if I take 15 and 20, then LCM is what? LCM is here 3, 4 ja 12, 12, 5 ja 60. LCM will be 60 here. So LCM never we exceed multiplication of both numbers. Here is multiplication what? Both numbers. 5 and 20, it will be 100. So is 20 is LCM, LCM is less than multiplication of both numbers. And here multiplication is 300, both numbers. Then multiplication always greater than the LCM. So we'll take loop from any number, start from any number, and until number is product of both numbers. That means A asterisk B and I plus plus. So that number will be updated. And if I will write I is divisible by A and I is divisible by B. Divisible means remainder not be comes at, and we say that remainder will be 0. So modulo operator also return remainder, and remainder here 0. It will be only correct if I will be divisible by both number. So this is required LCM. Then first here we take another variable int LCM, and we can put any number. For dummy we here putting 1. So now LCM will be what? I. Why I am writing I? Because I is divisible by A and I is also divisible by B. Here both condition will be true. So that number only, this number which is divisible by both, this will be LCM. Now we will assign this and also use here break. Break is very important here. Sorry, break. Spelling is here mistake. We will use break because LCM is the least common multiple. So we have to find least number. Then we will use break so that next number not come in the LCM. And also close the if statement and also close here for statement. After for loop we can print LCM. So system.out.println LCM is, we will write LCM is LCM, and here after this statement I will close class and method, main method and class. I hope you will understood this program. Thank you.